In the last decades, flood have caused some of the biggest damages in recorded history. Engineering and science tried to solve such problems by even killing two birds with one stone. So they found a solution, and that is dam. A dam is a megastructure and one of the most expensive megaprojects, where at the beginning dozens of dump trucks dumped rocks to cut off the river or stream to hold back water. So welcome to a new video from Construction Technique. In this video, we are going to talk about the insane dam construction project. But before we make it to the video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So this amazing video is about how a hydroelectric power plant, or dam, is built in China and Turkey. China and Turkey's energy megaprojects matter to us all. People have used different materials to build dams over the centuries. Ancient dam builders in Mesopotamia used natural materials such as rocks or clay for mini-dam construction, mostly for farmland irrigation purposes. Modern dam builders use modern materials like steel and concrete, and use amazing industry machines, extreme heavy equipment, big dump truck machines, incredible next-level technology, pouring concrete for dam construction machinery, and some of the biggest cranes in the world, and solving the problem. How dams are built extremely fast and are truly mega projects beyond compare only a few people have ever seen. Man-made dams create artificial lakes called reservoirs. Dams are not useless mega projects by any stretch of the imagination. Dams are important because they provide water for domestic, industry, and irrigation purposes. The biggest dams also provide hydroelectric power production and river navigation. Dams and their reservoirs provide recreation areas for fishing and boating. They help people by reducing and preventing floods. You will be surprised to see how this perfect dam construction project was made by incredible next-level engineering in one of the world's most extreme construction sites in China and Turkey. It will serve the people in their everyday life by providing electricity, jobs, and tourism money. Firstly, we'll talk about the massive Yuzu Feli Dam, one of the most expensive mega projects of Turkey. This dam is built on the Koru River near Yusufeli in Artvin province. This whole project is within the eastern Black Sea region of Turkey. As I have said, the project is massive. Just take a look at its dimensions. This dam heights up to 270 meters, that means 886 feet from its foundation and 223 meters from the lowest point of the river Koru bed. Definitely the Yusufeli is a mega project without a doubt. It will have a crest length of 490 meters and a crest width of 15 meters while being composed of 2.9 million M3 feet of concrete. On February 26, 2013, the foundation stone was laid, and the dam's opening date was initially set to May 29, 2018. As of 2018, the expected opening date was delayed. A very interesting fact, when this project is completed, Yusufeli Dam will be Turkey's tallest dam and the fifth tallest dam in the world. At full capacity, the Yusufeli hydroelectric power station is expected to generate approximately 1 billion and 888 million kilowatt hours of electricity annually. The dam project also involves 4 balanced cantilever viaducts, including the 644-meter-long Tikali Viaduct, the 695-meter-long Yusufeli Viaduct, the 340-meter-long Yusufeli Dam Viaduct, and the 530-meter-long Selenkar Viaduct. This mega project is also dealing with the construction of 110 kilometers of roads, 45 tunnels, 22 bridges, and 92 culverts. The other components of the project include the main power transformers, the 380 kV switchyard, along measuring and protection equipment. But the question is how they are doing so well in it. Obviously, they definitely have updated construction equipment. The construction equipment used for the Yusufeli hydroelectric project include one 12-ton 280 ECH tower crane, two 10-feet 200 ECH tower cranes, and four 6-foot 154 ECH tower cranes. 5 tower cranes were also used for the construction of roads as part of the project. Yusufeli Mega Project is definitely not a single-handed project. It's a joint venture of many companies. Those companies played a different and very major role in the construction of this project. Andritz Hydro was contracted by the Limak Cengiz Kolin Consortium for the design, manufacturing, supply, installation, and commissioning of the electromechanical equipment for the project in 2015. They also received an order for the supply of intake structure, penstocks, along with gates, embedded parts, grip beams, trash racks, spillway radial gates, hydraulic lifting systems, and slide valves in September 2016. Suyupi was contracted by Limak Construction Company for the preparation of detailed design and consultancy services for the Yusufeli Dam, while IC Consultant Austria was subcontracted by Suyupi for the engineering and geological consultancy services of the project. Likewise, ARQ Consulting Engineers was responsible for the detailed final structural and thermal design analysis, along with assistance in construction plant design and specification. Neural Construction Company was awarded a contract worth approximately $98.37 million by DSI for 4 152-meter-high viaducts in July 2017, while Gulsan Company partnered for the construction works of Feli Dam bridges. Botek Bosphorus Technical Consulting Corporation provided project consultancy services for the preliminary and final design of the dam access roads. Lee Pear supplied 12 tower cranes for the construction works of the Feli Dam and roads, while St. Gary supplied inclinometers, extensometers, joint gauges, water level gauges, and piezometers for the project. Now our second mega project is Baihatan Dam. The Baihatan Dam is a large hydroelectric dam on the Jinsha River, an upper stretch of the Yangtze River in Sichuan and Yunnan provinces in the southwest of China. The dam is a 277-meter-tall double curvature arch dam with a crest elevation of 827 meters, a width of 72 meters at the base and 13 meters at the crest. It is considered the last large hydropower megaproject in China to be completed after a series of projects starting with the Three Gorges Dam, the third largest dam in China and the fourth in the world in terms of dam volume. Actual construction started in 2017. The reservoir started filling in April 2021. On June 28, 2021, the Baihatan Dam began generating hydroelectricity when the project's first extremely powerful water outlets, turbines, started operating. The third turbine followed in July and the fourth in November. The facility will generate mini hydroelectricity with 16 extremely powerful water outlets, turbines, each with a generating capacity of 1 gigawatt, taking the generating capacity to 16,000 megawatts. In terms of generating capacity, it will be the second largest hydroelectric power plant in the world after the Three Gorges Dam. The dam was originally scheduled to be constructed between 2009 and 2018, but the actual construction started in 2017. The reservoir started filling in April 2021, with the dam to start partial electricity generation in July of the same year. By July 2022, the dam should be fully operational. Experts have noted the 4-year construction period as being exceptionally fast for a project of this type. This dam and reservoir have particularly affected upstream Kiajoa County. This project provided thousands of jobs to local residents, also requiring resettlement of 32 villages where around 50,000 residents are living. Due to the dam construction, the road network has also improved. The Baihatan project is being built in Phase 2 of a massive 46-gigawatt hydropower development scheme involving 4 large projects downstream of the Jinsha River. The scheme is part of China's west-to-east power transmission program to transmit surplus renewable electricity from western China to the more populated eastern China. The Jiudu and the 6.4-gigawatt Zhangjiaba hydroelectric projects, both located downstream of the Baihatan project, were completed in Phase 1, respectively in 2013 and 2012. The Baihatan project is being constructed downstream of the Wudongdae hydropower project, which became fully operational in June 2021. At full capacity, the 4 projects can transfer up to 190 terawatt-hours of electricity a year in eastern China. As we take a look at the impoundment level of the dam, then it is 825 meters, while the reservoir capacity is 20.627 billion cubic meters. The dam is designed to have a regulation storage capacity of 10.43 billion cubic meters and flood control storage capacity of 7.5 billion. Also, the Baihatan Dam has 6 floodgate structures and 3 spillway tunnels, hence the flood discharge capacity of the project is 42,346 meters cubed per second. So dams play an integral part in generating electricity as well. They play their role in increasing the water available to produce hydroelectric power. It helps in reducing the quantity of floodwater released during floods, as well as increases the depths in rivers. They can also be used to create man-made lakes also. So, I know it has been a long video. Thanks for watching. More interesting videos are coming, and if you don't want to miss any of our videos, then smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will always be updated.